TuringMind AI is the latest release in the AI software space, and if you're wondering whether it's the best solution for you, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Stick around till the end of this review because I'm going to break down exactly what makes this AI so powerful and why it might be your next go-to tool. Now, I want to start by saying that you can actually try TuringMind AI for free by using the link in the description below. It's a great chance to test it out without any risk, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack. TuringMind AI is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced marketers, helping with everything from content creation to data analysis. One of its standout features is its ability to process large sets of data quickly and intelligently. Whether you're trying to extract insights from complex data or automate time-consuming tasks, TuringMind has you covered. What makes TuringMind AI unique is its simplicity. It doesn't require an advanced technical background to use. The interface is intuitive and the setup process is straightforward, making it accessible for anyone, even those who are just dipping their toes into AI tools. But here's the kicker. TuringMind doesn't just handle data, it learns. This AI has built-in machine learning capabilities that improve over time, so the more you use it, the more accurate and personalized your results become. This makes it incredibly powerful for things like predictive analytics, market trends forecasting, and even creating targeted campaigns. Another feature worth mentioning is TuringMind's automation capabilities. Whether you're managing an email campaign or scheduling social media posts, TuringMind can help you save hours of work. And as we all know in digital marketing, time is money. One of the main reasons I'm so impressed with TuringMind AI is its integration potential. It can seamlessly integrate with popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce, making it a flexible tool for various businesses. This is especially valuable if you're already using these tools, as TuringMind can work directly with your existing systems. There's also a strong community and support structure around TuringMind. As the software is relatively new, the team behind it is very responsive and they continue to release updates regularly. Whether you need help troubleshooting or want to make sure you're using all the features to their fullest, you're in good hands. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects, its pricing. TuringMind AI offers a free version with plenty of useful features, but if you're looking for the full suite, it's definitely worth investing in their premium plans. They've structured it to be affordable, especially for small to medium businesses, which is often a game changer when you're balancing a budget with wanting to leverage the latest AI tools. If you're someone who's already tried numerous AI tools like I have, you know how crucial it is to find one that's both powerful and practical. And that's exactly what TuringMind brings to the table. By the way, as I've tried thousands of AI tools in my journey, I've compiled a list of my recommended ones in the description below, where you can test them all for free. Whether you're just starting with AI or looking to upgrade, you'll find something valuable in there. Remember, the link to try TuringMind AI is in the description, and I'd highly recommend checking it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.